RV Nation? It's me, Barry P, back again live. Family Fun RV Center, 333 Southeast 82nd Avenue, beautiful Portland, Oregon. Our second location at 570 North Columbia Boulevard, also in Portland, Oregon. Both locations family owned and family run. Both locations small in size, big in service. Today, ladies and gentlemen of the RV Nation, speaking of small, I come to you from the Forest River EVO 177BH. The BH stands for bunkhouse. Great layout. Again, half-ton towable, easily half-ton towable, even if you've got something smaller. Toyota Tacoma, something in that range, small SUV. This little travel trailer only weighs somewhere around 3,000 pounds. As with all of our Forest River products, amazing quality, amazing fit and finish, amazing insulating capabilities. Of course, with all of our Forest Rivers, the bottom of this coach is sealed and heated as well. Don't have to worry about your tanks or your lines freezing if you go camp somewhere cold or if you store it somewhere cold. Great option to know. This particular model built on a Lippert chassis, just like all our Forest River products. Power tongue jack up front. Got manual stab jacks on this unit, but we do have a power awning with an LED light, which is super convenient if you pull up and you've got something that you might think is in the way, a tree or something overhanging. You can just simply push a button, run your awning out, make sure it's where you like it, and you're good to go, ladies and gentlemen. Moving inside, of course, you got the nice queen bed up front here, which is great for mom and dad or whoever the boss in the situation is, gets to sleep up here. Nice dinette area, of course, makes into another sleeping quarters if you've got an extra guest or if you've got a child. And then in the back, we have our two bunk areas. It has its nice little windows, so you get some natural light, but if that's not enough, they've each got LED lighting to light up the area for whoever is sleeping back there. Great little kitchen area here. Has some nice counter space with a little extended countertop as well. Two-burner stove. You have an under cabinet Dometic refrigerator, stainless steel microwave, real wood cabinetry throughout that's got some really nice storage throughout this unit. Storage here, storage back there, storage underneath. Makes for great storage. You can never have too much storage. Nice pass-through up front, gives you another option for storing whatever it is, barbecue or whatever you need to bring along camping. And rear bathroom is a very, very nice size, not small and cramped like some other small trailers that you see. You can actually move around in there while you're getting ready. Also has a bathtub, so if you've got a small child, if you want to wash feet, if you've got an animal that travels with you that you need to bathe, perfect for that. Onboard entertainment from Furrion with all of our Forest River products. You got some great options to listen to some tunes with speakers throughout, or watch a movie or watch a show, and it's just like you got surround sound at home. Folks, this is the Forest River EVO 177, easily half-ton towable, little 3,000-pound trailer. I mean, come on, you don't need much. I could almost hook this to my belt and tow this sucker around if that's what you're looking for. If you're looking for a travel trailer, a fifth-wheel motorhome class A, B, or C, new or used, folks, come see us at Family Fun RV. There is no one that is going to beat the amazing customer service and experience that you have with us here. You truly do become family. You are not a number like those big franchise guys. Heck with those guys. You got a travel trailer, motorhome, or an RV that you are trying to sell and you're tired of messing with the folks on Craigslist with all the calls and nonsense, we would love to consign it for you as well. We're really good at doing that, and we can even make a nice little video about your unit just like this. Folks, I'm Barry P, Family Fun RV, small in size, big in service. Come get campy. Come see us at Family Fun RV, 333 Southeast 82nd Avenue. It's me, Barry P. Thanks for watching, folks. I am out.